Well, I love the colors of my mini Dutch ball so much, the greens and the yellows together, that I decided to do a larger one. So I'm going to start with a base of white once again. My paints are mixed with 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol. Let's use the bigger one. And I have not put, and also water to consistency, and I have not put any silicone. I'm happy with tiny white cells, to be honest. I like the depth that it gives you. I'm not looking for big cells. It's true their own, I guess. Not in this video anyway. Okay, that's pretty much well covered. Nice. Let's torch that in case there are any little bubbles. And let's try that again. This time I'm going to add also some of this turquoise. Big blob, even a little one there, just in case. Some of this beautiful phthalo green. I was trying to use up some colors earlier. Now I'm running out. So it worked, I guess. Then I'll use the leftover of this beautiful lime green. It's a Dutch pour slash straight pour, as you can see. It's a combo. I'll put some more of that pretty green. And then some more of that yellow. Plenty of paint. And a bit more of this white would have been good, but we'll just try to get by with what we have. So I've got my hairdryer on the cool setting and on the fastest setting as well. Let's do it. I had enough paint to cover my entire canvas here, so that's pretty cool. And those colors, oh, they just make me so happy. So happy. I definitely have plenty of paint on here, so I'm not worried about running out anywhere. I could just fix those edges here that I haven't covered completely. That's the easy part. Let's torch that. So the paint is quite thick. I'm not expecting a lot of cells, just a few little white ones, I'd say, where there is white paint mostly coming through. Not expecting huge surprises. There is a lot of blue here. Maybe you could tilt that a little bit, just a wee bit, not too much. No, you know what? I don't want to ruin it. I won't be brave on this one. I'm just going to leave it because I love it. I love how you've got a sort of calmer area with darker patches of color and a slightly busier section on this side with more depth and details. What I'm going to do is just keep torching it little by little. I'm trying not to stay in one spot for too long, otherwise my paint is gonna not like it very much. I won't bore you with too much torching, so what I'll do is just leave it to rest for a few minutes, torch it again, and then I'll show you the results. Okay friends, here's the beauty up close. What I've done on camera is just blow this section of yellow a little bit, or blow over it a little bit just to make it less blocky, so it blends in a bit more. And then I torched it one more time quite thoroughly. Beautiful lacing there. Just love this white section and its feathery edges. So sorry about the shadows and the glare. When it's completely dry, I'll post photos on my website, and this piece will also be available for sale if you love it. If you don't, that's okay, because I do, and I'm quite happy to keep it around. Look at these beautiful little details. Delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you did, and subscribe, and make sure to visit my website mimibondi.com for more videos. Thanks very much guys. Bye.